Alright. Attention, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, everybody. So, I guess Mickey Tiller decided to, get a little bold and go ahead and make that diss video. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad. I gotta admit, I swing my hair, but when I swing my hair, that's how you know it's a problem, because I really go to work. Like, everybody knows this. It's proof. You watch the videos, I'm swinging my hair, but I'm going to work. And you say I show off for the cameras. One, if the camera comes on, best believe I'm going to dance a little harder. That's just, I ain't getting worked on camera. Let's put that out there. And second of all, I'll work you on and off camera. I have worked you on and off camera. So, I could sit here and talk about how you belly roll when you're trying to twerk and stuff like that, but I just decided I'm going to just act it out for the people, because I don't want to talk no more mess about you, Mickey. I'm done embarrassing you, so let me just go ahead and show them what you do. How about that? We good with that one? Alright.
But I told you bitch like, shoot it up, bitch, shoot it up, bitch, shoot it up, bitch, shoot it up, bitch, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up, bitch, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up, bitch. I was up late night getting money. I got a call club rocking on Sunday. Then my nigga pulled up in front of me. Gucci's on chain swinging when he studying. Got to the club security frontin'. No insurance for Wilson's or nothing. I call up, put mother up, he came to the fucking paying no money. I got plugged in a bad bitch husband. Turn around, bend her over, we husband. Got a nigga rock hard in the pants seat. You can tell by the way she dance, she wanna fuck me. It's gonna be a long night if I'm lucky. We ain't even gotta fuck, she can suck.